I'm just out here, done a few things to the bike. I just recently flushed my brake fluid out and replaced it, and then I've did my clutch fluid as well, and so I'm just kind of checking to make sure everything's still good. I don't think that front brake's grabbing quite as strong as it should be. I'll have to check that out. Back brake definitely is locking up on a dime. Clutch seems to be working flawlessly. I'm actually quite pleased. I was really nervous flushing out the clutch. I did it on one of my old bikes, and I had a hard time getting it to bleed out. It just had a lot of air in it still, and I just wasn't looking forward to that at all. So I'm just trying to get a feel for the bike again, and I'm also checking to see how this camera's working, and mic and everything. So boy, I'm rusty. This is not good. Been a long time not being on the bike here. I'm not turning around in two spots, that's for sure. It also doesn't help that I have this dip in the middle of this parking lot. Oh. A lot of dirt here too. I need to just get that clutch control back here. Boy, I'm shaky. This is rough.